Hi guys, we're launching our 0 to 100 program for the CMAT exam, which includes your books, mocks, shortcuts, which is e-classes. In case you want to join for any of them, or in case you want to join for the complete program, just call on the any of the numbers which are given below, or in the description box. Hi guys, look at this question here. Find the area of this path, which is basically the bada rectangle, the whole construction minus the chota rectangle. The bada rectangle minus chota rectangle is going to be the area of the path. Now that's a typical question you're going to get in this CMAT exam. All these questions are typical textbook problems. Yeah. See, CAT was a different level exam. In Snap, you might have seen that every question you have seen, every question you can solve if the time is there. CMAT में time है time. CMAT में they've given you 3 hours का time to solve 100 question. Instead of giving you 100 minutes, they've given you 180 minutes. तो time है तुम्हारे पास. तो इसको even if I solve a long cut, I can easily do. ठीक है. So I want you to now download this CMAT का paper. Now we have launched this expected paper of CMAT. If you are unable to solve a question, it's all because you don't know how to solve. Simple. Because you don't know how to solve, you could not solve the question. So go to the link cetking.com/CMAT, cetking.com/CMAT. In that, I just refresh the page. Yeah. In that, the second link here, first is a CMAT strategy, and the second link there is the expected CMAT paper. So to click on this, you have to register to download the paper. I want you to download the paper and go through it, so that you understand what kind of questions are coming in the CMAT paper. Fine. So that's my request to you. Please download this paper and go through the paper. You will realize that CMAT is not difficult at all. So that will give you the confidence. Our mocks are slightly more difficult than this, because we never know यार पेपर कैसा नहीं. Last year easy आया था, इसका मतलब ये तो ना इस बार भी easy आएगा. ठीक है. And cutoff will of course vary. आपको मेन टारगेट इज 300 नंबर पार करने हैं. The simple target in CMAT is 300 पार करना. ठीक है. 300 पार हो गया तो अपने का अच्छा स्कोर आ सकता है एग्जाम वाले दिन. Go to the link cetking.com/CMAT. Click on this link here. आपको पेज खुलेगा. यहाँ पे you have to register. The moment you say yes, I want to download, it will take you to the paper. The moment you open the paper, it will look something like this. तो आपको ये I want you to solve this paper so that we are aware of what kind of question. सॉल्व नहीं करना मत करो, एक बार देख लो कि भाई ये 100 क्वेश्चन है क्या. बिफोर वी जंप वी शुड नो कि हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है, या और हमारा कंपटीशन किसके साथ है, एग्जाम क्या है, हमारा दुश्मन कौन है जिसको हमें हराना है. ठीक है. तो these 100 question are more than sufficient for you to understand. And then I want you to focus on the strategy sheet, how much you are attempting. For IMS का degree, your attempt should be around 92. For PGDM, your attempt should be around 80. Yeah, that's the ideal attempt on the CMAT exam day. And in quant, in GK, logic, quant, and verbal, 4 sections. Total 100 questions. Correct. All the best. In case you join a program, you can call the numbers given below or directly go to the link cetking.com. All the best.